Okay, I've got the eyes the same size. I've got the wrinkles into the brow, the depth of the brow. The upper eyelid will have to be cut back a little bit still. Most of the wrinkles are in where they should be. The depth of the nose, nostrils, and the top of the nose. I've got it sanded down quite a bit so that I can start drawing on it again. Additionally, I pushed back the front mouth, which will be covered by hair. The bottom of the lip will also be pushed back a little bit too. The side of the carving tells me that I still have quite a bit of room left in order to produce a depth for the cowl and also to put in the background. I'll have a bird up here, a bird up here, a Viking ship here in the ocean. I'll have to put in a few more bends in the top of the cloak. I have to put in effort on the axe as well. But next up, I'll probably take the background down a bit and get the cowl to appear deeper. Additionally, I'll clean up the side area here, take out some of the goo and other debris in there, bring down the eye like I said, and draw in the beard. Once I draw in the beard and start cutting in the beard, then I can work out the actual depth of the cowl. The cowl will have lines, bend lines on the side, down in here as well. I'll have to start to detail the circlet around his head. So yeah, it's pretty much getting there. Next up, I guess, yep, beard.